Ang sarap mag-gym. At pati na rin ang gin. Kung ako'y papapiliin, pareho namang win-win. Ang sarap mag-gym. Lalo na pagkasama ko si Kim. Teka, sino ba si Kim? Malabas na naman ang pagiging simp. Ang sarap mag-gym. Sa sarili mong pawis, nagsiswim. Katawan ay magiging slim. Pero kung merong gin, forgive me gym gods, for I have sinned.
तजुर्बा बता रहा हूं दोस्त, दर्द, गम, डर जो भी है बस तेरे अंदर है। खुद के बनाए पिंजरे से निकल के देख, तू भी एक सिकंदर है।
रास्ते की परवाह करूंगा तो मंजिल बुरा मान जाएगी।
चिराग देखकर मेरे मचल रही है हवा, कई दिनों से बहुत तेज चल रही है हवा। बना रहे थे जो किस्से मेरी तबाही के, उन्हें खबर ही नहीं कि रुख बदल रही है हवा।
Care if you're tired or if you're going through bad times right now. You need to work much harder. Nobody cares about your problems. Most successful people have had a hard life. You are nothing special. The only thing that matters are your results. So get up and grind. Go to the gym and they say you're obsessed. Don't go to the gym and they say you're skinny or fat. You eat bad food and they say you need to eat healthier. Eat healthier and they call you a health nut. You lift heavy and they call you an ego lifter. Lift light and they call you weak. You hide your physique and they say you're insecure. You show it confidently and they say you're showing off. Moral of the story is, people are going to talk smack about whatever you do in every circumstance. But you are in the arena with a sword in your hand. They are in the stands with a biscuit in theirs. Don't listen to their chatter. Best advice anyone ever gave me was 2 words. You can't. And you know what my response was? 2 words. Watch me.
Nobody is coming to save you. Get up. Be your own hero.
Remember the pain. Remember the promises they broke. Remember how they treated you. Remember how worthless they made you feel. Now turn your anger into power and show them off. Be better than them. Being a gym rat isn't what people think it is. We don't just go to get jacked or be healthy. There's so much more to it than that. A lot of us go because the pain in the body quiets the pain in the mind. And having something difficult to pursue and chase after gives a good solid sense of a small purpose in life. Like, hey, maybe I'm not worth much in my own head, but I can deadlift a couple 100 pounds. At least there's that. Or maybe the pent-up rage or sorrow is tearing us up inside, so we get to channel all of that into a PR. It's a peaceful life. We wouldn't trade it for anything. I don't care if you're tired or if you're going through bad times right now. You need to work much harder. Nobody cares about your problems. Most successful people have had a hard life. You are nothing special. The only thing that matters are your results.
ये काफी है कि वो मेरा हुआ था कभी. इस बात को छोड़ो कि वो अब किसका है.
It's all by your side. You got to do love.
Bitch, come on, you bitch. You scared coward. You got better fuck with me. You ain't like 2 minutes of my word, bitch. Look at you scared now, you hoe. Scared like you white.
Okay, let me finish. I gotta prove it. Prove what? I'm not a mistake.
जब दर्द हो समझ लो कुछ बदलने वाला है, और अगर दर्द नहीं हो रहा है तो समझ लो कुछ बदल ही नहीं रहा है.
You okay?
I'm fine. Just resting.
Did you get up?
Yeah, I always get up.
सपने देखने से बॉडी नहीं बनती मेरे दोस्त. उसके लिए हर दिन जिम में जाकर पसीना बहाना पड़ता है.
मैं लड़की पटाने के लिए जिम में नहीं आता ब्रो। मैं जिम में इसलिए आता हूं ताकि मरते वक्त मैं अफसोस ना करूं कि मेरी बॉडी जो शेप डिजर्व करती थी मैं साला उसे दे नहीं पाया।
यू बॉडी बनाना कोई आसान काम थोड़ी है। अच्छो अच्छो की फट जा जिम में।
न्यू तो चॉकलेटी कलर है यार तेरे का पर आगे पीछे।
No smoking, no drinking, just me, Jim, and God, man. We're focused. And you know what? That's all that matters right now.
People who train every day don't want to train every day. They are not motivated to train every day. They are something else. Motivation is the wrong word. They are not motivated. They are disciplined.
Andrew,
Disciplined.
Body of an athlete, mind of a stoic, spirit of a warrior. That's how you win in life.
You're gonna lose a lot of friends when you get serious about your life goals. That's why a Bugatti has 2 seats and a bus has 30.
Fuck the world, we just gon' keep getting rich, you know. Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. Said be true, I swear I'll try. In the end, it's in the night. He got his head, I'm on my mind. We got that love, the crazy kind. I am here.
It's just me alone in the gym, me alone in the mirror, me alone in my head. No one did it for me. I worked for it, and I'm never going to let someone else take that from me.
You're gonna lose a lot of friends when you get serious about your life goals. That's why a Bugatti has 2 seats and a bus has 30.
Shine to people, you know, to people you don't. We used to be close, but people can go from people you know to people you don't.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की।
अगर तुम लड़कियों को प्यार साबित करने के लिए ताजमहल भी बना दे और तुम्हारा मूड मुंह फुलाने का हो तो कहोगी कि तुमने क्या किया, ये तो मजदूरों ने बनाया।
मैं जा रही हूँ।
मेरे दिल से तो कब से जा चुकी हो।
I hate summer. I hate her crooked teeth. I hate her 1960s haircut. I hate her knobby knees.
सबर कर मेरी जान, किस्सा नहीं कहानी होगी अपनी।
There's an Arabic saying that goes, if you want to die, throw yourself in the ocean. You'll find yourself fighting to survive. You don't want to kill yourself. You want to kill something inside of you.
And she didn't even take any drugs. She would rain all day, couldn't wait for her son to
अरे हमें शरीफ समझने की गलती मत करना, हंसते हंसते मिटा देंगे हस्ती तुम्हारी।
अपनी औकात से बड़े सपने देखता हूँ, बचपन से देखे पहुंचा और बड़े सपने देख रहा हूँ। अभी आपको बताऊंगा तो आप शायद हंसोगे, लेकिन वो मैं कर दूंगा 10 साल में, 12 साल में, 15 साल में।
ਐਵੇਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮਿਲ ਜੀਏ ਸਬੱਬ ਥੋੜੀਆਂ, ਸਾਡੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੋਣ ਲੜਾਈਆਂ ਮਜ਼ਹਬ ਥੋੜੀਆਂ। ਜਿਹਦਾ ਕਰਤਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਚੰਗੇ ਆ, ਹਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਲਈ ਚੰਗੇ ਬਣੀਏ, ਰੱਬ ਥੋੜੀਆਂ।
When you don't have motivation to work out, just remember this famous quote.
Stop being a bitch and come on.
Sorry. I don't know why I'm crying.
Because it hurts.
Yeah.
I'm done. You don't have to worry anymore.
What do you mean?
I'm done trying to get you. I can't do it anymore. I'm sorry it's taken me this long to figure it out, but I promise I'm done making a fool of myself.
Another week, another Monday, baby, and you know what that means. It means I'm coming to put a fire in your heart so hot that you can't stand not going after your goals. So remember who the fuck you are. What's your last name? Say that shit 3 times as loud as you can. Your ancestors fought and died to get you here with that name. Live up to it. Make them proud. Anything less is a dishonor to your family name. Don't let that happen. Imagine the day they see you again. And you are just, well, better. Dear me, I promise you this. In 6 months, I will make you fucking proud.
ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਖਾਰਿਸ਼ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪੈਸੇ ਆਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਨੇ। ਜੇ ਖਾਜ ਕਰਨ ਨਾਲ ਪੈਸੇ ਆਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਤੇ ਜੱਟੋ ਟੱਟੇ ਹੋਣ ਤੱਕ ਸੋਨੇ ਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ। ਉਠੋ ਤੇ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰੋ।
ਟਾਈਮ ਲੋਕ ਤਾਨੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਕੱਸਦੇ ਆ ਮਿਡਲ ਕਲਾਸ ਬੰਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੀਗੇ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਆ।
David Goggins, you're a rookie here, first timer. Congratulations. How was the heat for you?
I didn't even notice. Get after, stay hard.
Bullshit! What do you know? What the hell do you actually know about me, huh? Nothing! I'll tell you what kind of man I really am. I have no strength, but I want it all. I have no knowledge, but all I do is dream. There's nothing I can do but struggle in vain like an idiot. I hate myself.
I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute. I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me.
Muita putaria, novinha com tapa, 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 novinha com capa preta.
Do Flamingo.
Yeah, baby! That's how we do!
I'm loading up my clip, got a plan for tonight. A Glock in my hand, in my pocket is a knife.
लोग तुझसे बोलेंगे तुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, तुम मत कर। लेकिन अगर तुझे भीड़ से नजर आना है हटकर, तो तू मेहनत कर डट कर, तभी तो लोगों की आंखें बाहर आएंगी फटकर।
المحارب لا زال مصرا على الاستمرار في الحرب، لا يعرف الاستسلام اطلاقا.
One of the reasons why I work out so hard, because when I work out really hard, I have respect for myself. Yes. For that day, I know I'm not a lazy piece of shit. For that day, I know I'm focused. For that day, when I'm done, I'm like, I know who I am. I get shit done.
Me alone in the gym, me alone in the mirror, me alone in my head. No one did it for me. I worked for it, and I'm never going to let someone else take that from me.
I don't mean to interrupt your scrolling, but if God is the reason why you are still breathing, type amen.
कहते हैं कि जब वक्त फैसला करता है ना, वाह वाह, जब वक्त फैसला करता है तब गवाहों की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती।